Uh, we are going to have an induction program for the BTech final year student by the head of the department, Dr. A.J. K.J. sir. So after spending almost 3.5 months at home safely due to the pandemic situation, we are now going to start with our new academic year. And that academic year begins from today, and it will begin with the induction program. First of all, let me introduce you once again to our head of the department. Officially, you might have met him many times, but this is an official introduction. Dr. Ashok Keche, he has done his BE in production engineering from JNEC. He has done his ME in mechanical design in Government College of Engineering, Aurangabad. And after that, he has done his PhD from NIT Warangal in 2015. He has got a vast experience. He has got 12 years of industrial experience in Bajaj Auto. After that, he has worked for 17 years in MIT. He was workshop superintendent for 12 years at MIT also before taking the charge of head of the department. He has got 70 publications on his name. He has published 20 book chapters also. In Bajaj Auto, he has got the experience of manufacturing of precision components, and he has got first prize on national level on implementing TPM. He is one of the MTech student, got first prize at NIT Warangal also. And under his leadership, our department has successfully got A grade in NAC, and we have successfully applied for NBA also, and he has given many lectures on OBE. So I request Dr. AJ Keche sir to start his induction program.
Thank you, Professor S.R. Kulkarni, for nice introduction. First of all, good morning, one and all. I, Dr. Ashok Keche, welcome you all for today's induction program. The contents of my presentation are initiatives taken by the department during lockdown period, brief discussion about the curriculum, structure and syllabus, brief information about the course teachers and class teacher of respective divisions of final year BTech. Then outcome-based education, vision mission of the institute and department, program outcomes and program specific outcomes. Then we'll discuss the information about the detailed timing, timetable and schedule for upcoming semester and execution of online teaching learning for upcoming academic year 2021 part 1. Regarding the COVID-19 pandemics, but it is my duty to discuss the important guidelines with you because your health is prime importance for us. So in this regard, the first point is wear mask regularly, clean your hands regularly, maintain at least 3 meter or 3 feet distance between yourself and the others, avoid going to the crowded places, avoid touching eyes, nose and mouth frequently, make sure you and people around you, your family members, follow the good respiratory hygienes, stay home, self-isolated with minor symptoms such as cough and other things until we will get the recover from the COVID-19 situations. In the month of May 2020, University Grant Commission has issued certain guidelines regarding the conduct of online academics, and considering the guidelines and in the view of your interest and giving highest priority to health of all the concerned in teaching learning process, Department of Mechanical Engineering has successfully organized 5 webinars and a technical symposium on advances in related to your regular academics, and all the faculty members of our department have completed the syllabus of their respective courses through ERP system. Then we have conducted meeting with final year students for knowing their feedback for online practical examinations. This initiative was taken by Dr. P.M. Ambat sir, IQC coordinator of our department during the lockdown. And again, we have conducted the digital survey of the students and faculty members to understand the hardware and network readiness for online teaching learning process. A technical symposium on advances in materials and manufacturing engineering. On 4th June 2020, we have organized a webinar on GATE preparation and career opportunities for the third year and final year students with the objectives to make aware the students about the GATE examination and its benefit and to explore career opportunities to the mechanical engineers. Total 319 students and 2 faculty members have attended this particular webinar. This webinar was conducted by our one of the alumnus, Mr. Anuruddha Kulkarni, Senior Scientist Engineer, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Greater Noida. Then on 6th June 2020, we have organized 2 webinars. First webinar was on opportunities for mechanical engineers in artificial intelligence world. This webinar was conducted by one of our alumnus, Mr. Mandar Kulkarni, Group Manager, Fundability Sciences, Aurangabad. And second webinar, that is on Journey of Excellence through TPM. This webinar was conducted by one of my colleagues who is presently working at Godrej Aerospace, Mumbai, Mr. Lalit Patil. We have organized these 2 webinars to meet the objectives like to explore journey of excellence through advances in technology, that is artificial intelligence, and TPM, that is total productive maintenance philosophy of professionals to express their ideas and views, and also students gets benefit to relate theoretical knowledge with practical inputs of the field. Total 269 students, 73 faculty members, and 34 industry professionals have attended these 2 webinars. Then on 14th June, again we have organized 2 webinars that is based on latest advancement in the technology. The first webinar that was conducted by Dr. Datta Prade. He is alumnus of MIT Aurangabad on the topic virtual reality and augmented reality, introduction and applications. And the second one that is on the topic additive manufacturing by Mr. Yogesh Pawar. He is also alumnus of our department and he is founder member of iPro 3D. These two webinars we have organized to meet the object augmented reality, virtual reality, and the 3D printing with interaction with the industry experts. And second one, to provide platform to students, faculties, and industry professionals to express their ideas and views. And also students get benefits to relate theoretical knowledge with practical inputs of the field. Total 210 students, 90 faculty members, and 16 industry professionals have attended these two webinars. As I said earlier, our department is continuously working for overall development of the students. Recently, we have successfully organized 5 days technical symposium on advances in materials and manufacturing engineering. That is from 30th June to 4th July 2020. We have invited the eminent speakers from the reputed institutes like IITs, NITs, College of Engineering, Pune, the objectives of this technical symposium were like this: to create awareness about the present status of materials and manufacturing engineering, to highlight the research being carried out and promote further research in these areas, to impart knowledge and scientific advancements in the various domains of materials and advances of manufacturing engineering. Most of the students from your division have been attended this particular webinar. As I said earlier, we have invited the experienced and prominent speakers from the reputed institutes, and they have delivered their talks on various latest topics of advances in materials and manufacturing engineering. The first one, micro fabrication and its characterization. This topic was delivered by Dr. Subhash Deshmukh sir, Associate Professor, College of Engineering, Karad. Then second one, Dr. D.R. Peshwe, Professor, VNIT Nagpur, has delivered presentation on Atmanirbhar Bharat, Science and Technology, Intervention of Rural India. Third one, role of 3D printing in COVID-19 pandemic by Dr. Ravi Kumar, Associate Professor, NIT Warangal. Next one, green manufacturing by Dr. Geeta Latkar Madam, Director, MGM's College of Engineering, Nanded. Then next one, advances in conventional manufacturing technology, a case study by Dr. C.L. Gokte, MIT Aurangabad. Then material characterization and techniques by Dr. Kavita Pandey, Research Associate, NIT Nagpur. Then dissimilar of welding of stainless steel by Himanshu Vashishta, Post-Doctorate Fellow, IIT Delhi. Then CNC machining of superalloys by Dr. R.S. Faude, Associate Professor, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. Then artificial intelligence for manufacturing value chain by Mr. Suresh Chakravar, Director, Artificial Lab, Fundability Sciences, Aurangabad. Then synthesis and applications of nanomaterials by Dr. Sagar Sirsat, Associate Lecturer, University of New South Wales, Australia. My dear friends, we have received very good response for this particular event. Near about 175 students, research scholars, faculties and industry professionals have attended this particular event, and we have got very good feedback from all these persons from student, industry, and industry professionals. Now let us discuss the feature of Autonomous Institute. In last year, our institute has applied for autonomous status, and from the information received from the higher authorities, the autonomous expert team is likely to visit very soon to our institute to verify the various documents that is related to autonomy. First of all, let us see what are the benefits of autonomy. Autonomous colleges are free to make use of expertise of university, departments, and other institutions to frame their curriculum, devise methods of teaching, examinations, and evaluation scheme. They can recruit their teachers according to the existing procedure. Then what are the benefits to the students and teachers of autonomous colleges? Autonomous colleges carries a prestigious image for the students and teachers. Autonomy reflects efforts for excellence in academic performance, capabilities of self-governance, and enhancement in quality education. If you want to change the syllabi as per the needs, wants, and requirement, you can change it as per your wish. Now let us discuss the feature of Autonomous Institute. From this current academic year, we are going to introduce minor and honor scheme to the students of second year from 4th semester, 5th semester, 6th semester, and 7th semester. List of 6 theory courses with titles and detailed syllabi separately. Every department to develop and submit honor courses list of 5 to 6 theory courses with titles and detailed syllabi. MOOCs are permitted to the part list. So also a few PG courses may be included in this minor and honor courses. Multiple verticals are encouraged. The courses from main curriculum should not be in the list of courses for honor and minor. Post department to float the courses for honor and minor list as one in each semester. That just we have discussed it. Then a student opting for honors will not be entitled to register for minor courses. As per this scheme, student will get minor and honor degree along with degree which they are pursuing. Regular lectures would find to be a bit easier to compete the program with good scores, that is CGPA, with such reduced credits, and can receive BTech degree with total 168 credits. For brighter and interested students opting honors or minor schemes, the UG program would be 168 credits plus 12 credits, that is total 180 credits. The remedial assessment schemes such as re-examination or summer team will not be eligible for minor and honor schemes. Students failing in any of the minor or honor courses at any stage will be discontinued from the scheme. Then we'll discuss some guidelines that is related to minor degree. Student can select courses from the branches. For example, if mechanical engineering student select courses from civil engineering under this scheme, she will get major degree of mechanical engineering with minor degree of civil engineering. Now we'll discuss the honor degree. Student can select advanced courses from their respective branch in which they are pursuing the degree. For example, if mechanical engineering student selects advanced courses from same branch under this scheme, he will get major degree along with honor degree of mechanical engineering. Please note that maximum size for minor is 30 for honor and is 1/3 of total intake of respective department. Then we'll discuss some guidelines that relate to minor certification scheme. Students can select courses from the other branches. For example, if mechanical engineering students select courses from civil engineering under this scheme, she will get major degree of mechanical engineering with minor degree of civil engineering. Student from any department is eligible to apply for minor from any other department. Student can select one course per semester from the list of courses of branch of which he or she want to pursue minor degree. This scheme will be started from second year, fourth semester of UG program. An applicant must have minimum CGPA of 6.75 up to second semester. And for second year degree, direct admitted diploma student with CGPA, then the mentor will be allotted for host department to guide the student during his or her entire curriculum. MOOC courses from online mode, you can select for like NPTEL, Coursera, etc. While selecting the online courses, care must be taken that it must be certification course, should be of 3 credits each. And at the end of semester, oral examination will be conducted by the Center of Examination. But certification of respective platform is essential to become eligible for this examination. Final degree of minor will be based on exams conducted for each course by the department. No lab course, oblique internship, mini project permitted in minor scheme. All minor courses to be designed and delivered by the respective department. Then we will discuss some guidelines that is related to honor certification scheme. Students can select advanced courses from their respective branch in which they are pursuing the degree. For example, if mechanical engineering students select advanced courses from the same branch under the scheme, she will get major degree along with honor degree of mechanical engineering. Students from the same department are eligible for honor degree. The scheme will be started from second year, fourth semester of UG program. An applicant must have minimum CGPA of 6 up to second semester, and for second year direct admitted diploma students with CGPA of 6. Student can select one course per semester from the honor courses of branch in which they are pursuing the degree. Mentor will be allotted from the host department to guide the students during his or her entire curriculum. You can select the courses from NPTEL or Coursera through online mode. While selecting the online courses, care must be taken that it must be certification course, be of credit 3, no lab course, internship or mini project permitted in honor scheme. Now let us discuss the various subject and allotment of the course teachers and class teacher. For BTech A division, your class teacher is Professor P.S. Kulkarni. The subject teachers are like this. For tool design, S.V. Bhusane sir. Automatic control system, P.S. Kulkarni sir. Refrigeration and air conditioning, Dr. A.T. Auti sir. Elective 3, automobile engineering, that is, and this course will be delivered by Dr. Chopra madam. Then HAVC, that is delivered by S.B. Chatankar sir. Elective 4, that is on Industry 4.0 by Professor P.J. Palkar. And open elective OR, Trishul Kulkarni sir. Then for BTech B division, your class teacher is Professor K. Lad. He will be delivering the course tool design. Then M.N. Farooqui, ACS, refrigeration and air conditioning, Dr. A.T. Auti, automobile engineering, Dr. Chopra madam, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, S.B. Chatankar, S.D. Rakunde sir. Then for tool design, P.T. Borlekar sir, ACS, S.B. Patil sir. Refrigeration and air conditioning, S.D. Rakunde sir. Elective 3, automobile engineering, Prabhan Chakravarti sir. Heating, ventilation and air conditioning, S.D. Rakunde sir. Elective 4, Industry 4.0, Dr. P.M. Ambad. Again, elective Operation Research, Dr. P.M. Ambad sir. Regarding the regular academics, day before yesterday, we have received certain guidelines from the Vice Principal Office. Your program that is scheduled on 9 and 10. So I request all the students of final year to inform your parents to attend the induction program. Then for second week, that is from 13th to 17th July, one lecture per day is planned. And for the third week, that is from 20th July to 24th July, 2 lectures per day have been planned. And for the fourth week, 3 lectures per day have been planned. And each section will be of 45 minutes. That is teaching plus quiz plus question and answer session. Timing for online classes, that is 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. and from 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. from Monday to Friday. Timetable for face-to-face teaching, that is through offline mode, will be decided 15 days prior to the commencement of offline classes as per the directives from the government of Maharashtra and university authorities. Then you can use the platform, the conduction of the online classes is Google Meet. In this regard, we will received the certain guidelines from the VP Academies, and our timetable coordinator have prepared the detailed timetable. So we'll circulate detailed timetable with all the students and faculty members of our department very soon. Then we'll
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Kechi, sir. Kechi, sir, can you hear me? Sir. There is no voice.
voice येत नाही का?
नाही, sir. ओके. तुमचा बोलण्याचा आवाज येतोय, पण तुम्ही काही व्हिडिओ प्ले करत होतात का?
बोलण्याचा आवाज नाही येत?
येतोय, पण व्हिडिओ प्ले करत होतात का तुम्ही आता?
बर ठीक आहे, चालेल.
येस.
Outcome based education. What is the outcome based? हे चालत नाही का? ते पण पुढे नाही गेलं ना. आवाज नाही येत.
नाही, तुमचा आवाज येतोय. तुम्ही काही ऑडिओ सुरू केलाय का कॉम्प्युटरवर? त्याचा आवाज येत नाहीये.
त्याचा आवाज येत नाही का?
हा.
पीपीटीचा आवाज येत होतो का तो? काय करायचं?
तुम्ही बोलल्याचा येतोय, पण पीपीटी मधला येत नाहीये. हा.
आवाज डबल नाही. Now we'll discuss the outcome-based education. In outcome-based education, the various terms are used. In OBM is outcome-based education. OBLT means outcome-based learning teaching. OBC means outcome-based curriculum. OB, that is outcome-based curriculum. There are various key constituents of outcome-based education. At the top, vision and mission, then program educational objectives, program outcomes, and course outcomes of various courses. Now we'll see the academic policy pyramid. On the top, vision and mission statements of the institute and department, program educational objectives, program outcomes, that is also called as a graduate attributes, and course outcomes. Now we'll discuss about the vision of the institute and department. Vision that outlines what institute wants to do in future, and the vision statement of the department is drafted like this. MIT aspires to be leader in techno-managerial education at national level by developing students as technologically superior and ethically strong multidimensional personalities with global mindset. Then, based on the vision statement of the institute, the department vision statement is drafted like this: to be a center of excellence in the field of mechanical engineering, where the best of teaching, learning, and research synergize and serve the society through innovations and excellence in teaching. Now, let us discuss the mission. Mission means what the company wants to do now. The mission statement of the institute is drafted like this: we are committed to provide wholesome education in technology and management to enable aspiring students to utilize their fullest potential and become professionally competent and ethically strong by providing well-qualified, experienced, and professionally trained faculty, state-of-art infrastructure facilities, and learning environment, conducive environment for research and development, and delight to all stakeholders. In align with Institute mission statement, the department mission statement is drafted like this: to provide world-class undergraduate and graduate education in mechanical engineering by imparting quality techno-managerial education and training to meet current and emerging needs of industry and society at large. Let us discuss the program educational objectives. The program educational objectives are broad statement that describes the career and professional accomplishments that the program is preparing the graduates to achieve. The program educational objectives are established in consultation with stakeholders of the department. As mechanical branch that is divided into three sub-domains, that is design, thermal, and manufacturing. So the program educational objective of our department, first one is graduate will apply the tools and skills acquired during their undergraduate studies, either in advanced studies or as an employee in engineering industry that is related to industry. Then graduate of the program will have successful technical and professional career. Then graduate of the program will continue to learn to adopt constantly evolving technology. And the last one, graduate will demonstrate sensitivity towards societal issues. Now we'll see the program outcomes. Program outcomes are also called as graduate attributes. Means what engineering graduates will able to do during the graduation and at the end of the graduation course. So the first growth program outcome is engineering knowledge. Second one, problem analysis. Third one, design development of a solution. Then conduct investigation of complex problems. Then modern tool usage. Then sixth one, that is engineer and society. Seventh, environmental and sustainability. Eighth one, ethics. Nine, individual and teamwork. then communication, then project management and finance, and last one, lifelong learning. Now let us discuss the program specific outcomes. Program specific outcomes that is related to particular specific branch. The program specific outcomes of our programs are like this: ability to design and analyze the components and systems for mechanical performance, that is related to design domain. Then second one, ability to apply and solve problems of heat and power thermal system, that is related to thermal domain. And the last one, ability to solve real life problems with exposure to manufacturing industry, that is related to manufacturing domain. Now, we have already discussed the timetable for online courses. The timing for online classes will be from Monday to Friday, that is from 10:30 to 12:30, first session, and second session from 2 to 4. Likewise, this timetable is applicable for all the courses. So this is all about from my side. If you have any questions, any doubt, you can put your questions in chat box. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello. S.R. Kulkarni, sir.
Yes, sir. Trishul Kulkarni, sir.
If sub questions are there, we will discuss it.
Yes, sir. There is no question in the chat box right now. No, sir. There is no question, sir.
No question.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. We can conclude, sir.
S.R. Kulkarni, sir. Trishul Kulkarni.
Yes, sir. Should I conclude, sir?
Yeah. You can conclude.
Okay. So thank you all for joining this orientation session. I thank to HOD sir for giving all the necessary information to begin with the new semester. And I thank to all the participants and students and parents for their presence. So thank you so much. So with the permission of HOD sir, I declare that the meeting is over. And should I conclude, sir, now?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So we will end the meeting over here. Thank you.